In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill orders on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move an order from new to fulfilled with confidence using the built-in tools in your Shopify admin. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin. Make sure you're entering through the official Shopify URL and using an account that has permission to manage orders. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your store's activity. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Orders. This takes you to the Orders page, which lists all recent orders and their current status. You'll see order numbers, customer names, dates, totals, and whether each order is open, unfulfilled, partially fulfilled, or already completed. Take a moment here to identify the order you want to work on. Accuracy matters, so double check the order number or customer details so you're opening the right one. Select the order you want to fulfill by clicking into it. This opens the order details page where you can review everything tied to that order. You'll see the items purchased, quantities, and the shipping address. This is a good time to verify that what you're about to ship matches what was ordered and that you have the items ready to go. On the order page, click Fulfill Items. This action prepares the order for fulfillment and brings up a confirmation screen. Think of this as your final review before you lock the status in. It's helpful to pause for a moment and make sure the physical items you've packed align with the quantities listed on the screen. Review the order details, then click Fulfill Items again to confirm. The second click is the confirmation that tells Shopify you've completed the fulfillment for this order. If anything looks off at this stage, it's best to address it before confirming so your records stay accurate and your customer receives exactly what they expect. Once completed, the order status will change to fulfilled. You'll see the status update on the order page, and it will also reflect on your main orders list. This change serves as your official record that the order was handled and is no longer pending action. If you ever need to reference this order later, the fulfilled status makes it easy to find in your order history. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.